Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. So we have a new song from, let's see here, BEBE REXHA. No, it's actually BEBE REXHA. I'm pretty sure. So this song is called Sabotage, and yeah, it's a great power song. So let's dive into it. We have the capo set here on the first fret, cause that's a lot easier to play those chords, and we need to play these chords to match up the sound. So let's start. We have 7 different chords here. So first off, E minor, open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E, like this. And then we go to this C chord here, third on A, second on D, open G, first B, and open E. Then we move on to the G chord, third E, second A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. Then we have this B minor. You bar the second fret here from the A string and down. So 5 strings like this. And then you put your fingers here on the 4th fret D string, 4th fret G string, and 3rd fret B string. So that's the B minor. Then the D chord here. Open D, second G, third B, and second E. And then comes the B. And that's again here, you bar the 2nd fret here from the A string and down. And then you put your fingers here on a line, so to speak. So 4th fret on D string, 4th on G, and 4th on the B string. And the final chord is the A minor. Open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. So those are the chords. So we're gonna look at the different patterns here and the chord progressions. So for the intro here, just one downstroke for each chord. E minor, C, G, and B minor. So that's just the first round with only one downstroke for each chord. And then we are at the first verse. The chord progression there is the same, the first round. So E minor, C, G, B minor. And the second round is E minor again, C, G again, and here comes the D chord in. So instead of the B minor, which we have in the first round, here is played the D chord. So 2 rounds of this, and you're gonna need to play 4 downstrokes for each chord, so it will sound something like this. B minor, B minor, B minor, B minor, E minor, C, G, and here's the D. 3, 4. And this pattern continues here in the pre-chorus, but the chords change a little bit, where she starts to sing matches in my back pocket. So this starts off with the C chord, still. Down 4 downstrokes, C, 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 E minor, G, and B. So only one round of this. So C, E minor, G, and B. And then we are at the chorus. Here on this first chorus, we will only need to play 1 downstroke, and that will change later when the chorus comes back. But for this first one, only 1 downstroke. and it goes 2 rounds in the same chord progression, which is E minor, na 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 na, na C, na 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 G, na 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 B minor. So 2 rounds. G again and B minor. Yeah. Now we are at the second verse, and the second verse here will change a little bit from the first verse when it comes to the strumming pattern here, because it gets a little more tempo, so to speak, and more drums comes into the picture. So the same chord progression here, E minor, C, G, and B minor, and then E minor, C, G, and D. But the strumming pattern will be down, 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 up. So down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up. So I'm gonna play 2 of each chord, 2 strumming patterns. So down, 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 up, down, 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 up, for each chord. So E minor, C, C, G, B minor, E minor, E minor, C, C, G, G, D. And then we're again here at the pre-chorus, and in the exact same way as the first one, with the chords C, E minor, G, and B, and 4 downstrokes. So and here comes the chorus, and here's the new strumming pattern, because it really builds up here, the tension here, so we need to add some more to it. Same chords as in the previous time we played in the chorus, so E minor, C, G, and B minor, E minor, C, G, and B minor. So 2 rounds. But the strumming pattern here will be down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up. So, sorry. Down, down. Down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up. Down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up. And notice here that I'm not just playing full strokes when I'm playing the ups and downs. So if you want more in detail to get this sound, if I illustrate it with bass, then I mean these bass strings here, and top this higher, so to speak, strings down here. So first down on the bass, and second down on the top, third down on the bass, and here on the top when I play up. So bass, top, bass, top. And then it's alternate again with down, up, down. So bass, down, top, bass. And on the last down, down, up, it will be on the top strings. So a little bit slowly, it will sound like this. So that's the chorus, and this continues this strumming pattern into this little bridge. And here comes the new chord in, which is the A minor. A minor, where it starts to sing "So Don't Let Me Hope Too High." So A minor, E minor, D, B minor, and then again A minor, and then comes the G, D, and B. The strumming pattern is the same as the chorus, so it will be this: E minor, D, B minor, A minor again, G, D, and B. Oh, sorry. On this last B, it will be only one downstroke. And then it starts over again. I sabotage everything I love when he sings that. So it continues with only one downstroke. E minor, G, and B minor. So it kind of stops there, and then it starts all over again with the chorus. Why do I sabotage everything I love? Same again. C, G, B minor, and over again. E minor, C, G, and B minor. And that is the final of this kind of cool song. It's new artist into this channel that I want to cover, and I hope you enjoyed this one. If you did, please thumb up or leave a comment, or even better, be a subscriber and follow me. That's about it, boys and girls, and don't forget to play tuned.